Why does your scanner show the P0150 engine code? What does it mean? P0150 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit malfunction, bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, has detected that the oxygen sensor in this specific position is not providing a voltage reading within its expected operational range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty O2 sensor, wiring and connector issues, exhaust system leaks, faulty O2 sensor heater circuit, PCM or ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.